Hey my dear watchers, it's facts for you here. My video is about mewing. It's a very important and crucial thing to do. It will improve your facial features a lot. Everyone wants to improve, and with these couple techniques you will be doing it without any effort. You will become more attractive. Your facial posture will look better. By the way, I will do my video a little bit differently to keep things interesting. Tell me in the comments what do you think, which style you like the most. I will take any feedback and will reply, because I'm creating for the audience. So let's go into video.
Mewing is a technique that involves placing the tongue on the roof of the mouth with the lips closed and the teeth lightly touching or slightly apart. It is named after Dr. John Mew, a British orthodontist who popularized the method. The goal of mewing is to encourage proper oral posture, which proponents claim can lead to various health benefits, including improved facial aesthetics, better breathing, and potential orthodontic corrections. Advocates of mewing argue that maintaining correct tongue posture can help support the development of the jaw, promote nasal breathing, and potentially alleviate issues such as snoring and sleep apnea. However, it's important to note that scientific evidence supporting these claims is limited, and the effectiveness of mewing for achieving long-term changes in facial structure or orthodontic corrections remains controversial. So overall it will improve your jaw and face posture while you do it. To make things easy you just need to hold your tongue against your palate. While most individuals may find mewing helpful as part of their overall oral hygiene routine, it's essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional, such as a dentist or orthodontist, before attempting any new oral posture techniques, especially if you have pre-existing dental or medical conditions.
It's about it for the video. I'm happy to have you here till the end. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment on how you found the mewing. Leave a like and subscribe if you like my video and want to see more in the future, with more useful and fun videos. Thank you and goodbye now.